welcome in my channel. So in this video I'm gonna talk about how to find winning and top selling products on any kind of drop shipping. So you can find winning and top selling products for any kind of drop shipping. So we're gonna talk about this in detail, so how you can find the top selling and winning products for any kind of drop shipping. So basically business comes down to buying and selling. So you need to make sure that what you are selling is going to work in the market you choose to enter. So this will be a key making your business successful. So if you want to go into an e-commerce market, make sure think carefully about the niche you wish to occupy and the product that you choose to sell. So you can pick the product really carefully. So 5 platform where you can find winning products for top shipping and top selling products. So one thing you must know is that almost every online shop has a list of winning products. The problem for most entrepreneurs is that they don't utilize these tools enough. So there are many online shops that sell the same products, but that doesn't mean that can't be successful selling products that are already available. With the right choice of products and research into the market for these products, you can be a successful selling even the most popular products. So let's take a look at the best platform you can choose to find a suitable products. So Amazon bestseller is world most renowned platform. This is of course a self-evident choice, but there are reasons that is so popular. So for example, here's the list of best-selling and winning products that gets refreshed every hour. So you will also have the newest data of top selling and winning products on seeing that this and Amazon we are talking about. So you will find many branded products like Nike, Lego, Apple, and so on. However, the Amazon is one of the best sites for you to find winning and top selling. So your job simply are to find most popular generic items, then figure it out if they can be found for you from their idea to take that product and begin selling it your own. So bonus tip is a little secret about drop shipping you should know is one of the key thing about the sales is proper branding. Many times people are not buying the winning products, they are buying the winning brand. So why will people choose to your store instead of Amazon? Because they want to feel a part of your company. They connect to your message and look to sharing their support. A great one to find winning products for drop shipping here and other e-commerce platform that is extremely popular and feature its best. Wish.com. So you can find here the winning and top selling products for your drop shipping. Take a look at your competition to find winning and top selling products. Spying on a store similar to yours is always a great idea. Find a successful products. So there are plenty of ways for you to find a winning and top selling product for your drop shipping.